So students, so far we have studied about electrons and protons, how they were discovered, what were their absolute masses and absolute charges in terms of grams and coulombs respectively. We know that the mass of proton in grams is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Multiply it with 10 raised to minus 3, we will be getting the mass in terms of kg. Similarly, mass of electron in kg is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, and the absolute charge of proton is plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and for electron it will be minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Now students, these values are very small, therefore it will not be appreciable to use these values every time. So instead of using the absolute masses and absolute charges, we prefer using relative mass and relative charges. Now, the relative mass of proton is taken as 1 U, that means in terms of U, atomic mass unit, and the relative atomic mass of electron is taken as 1 by 2000 U. This value 1 upon 2000 is very small value, it can be neglected. Similarly, relative charge of proton is taken as plus 1 and the relative charge of electron is taken as minus 1. So from now onwards in this chapter, we will be using only relative mass and relative charge to express the various properties of electrons and protons respectively. Once again I am repeating, since absolute masses, that is in terms of kg or grams, and absolute charge, that is in terms of coulomb, they are very small in values. Therefore, instead of using these values, we use relative masses and relative charges. For proton, relative mass is 1 U. For electron, it is 1 by 2000 U. Relative charge for proton is plus 1 and for electron it is minus 1. You have to learn both the values